Hello, we're going to speak about how to get the right bed size for getting the right Wham Bam kit for your 3D printer. Now, our kits all come in a specific millimeter size, width, and length. And what you want to do is you want to take your bare bed. This is already covered with a Wham Bam magnet, but let's pretend this is just your bare aluminum plate. And you want to measure exactly the length. In this case, it's 235 millimeters. By the width, which is also 235 millimeters. That would correspond exactly to our 235 by 235 kit. To be sure, you could easily take our kit size, trace it out on a piece of paper, cut that paper out, and try it out on your printer and make sure that it fits. Remember that we do have front tabs on our pieces which stick out about 15 millimeters to 20 depending on the size of the kits. So those front tabs have to be taken into account for. Once that you've put this on your printer, you want to make sure it fits within the bed size. You can have it slightly overhanging. You can actually cut the flexible magnet down to your bed size and your spring steel, your flexi plate, can overhang. But if you do have it overhanging, you want to make sure that when you move your machine, it passes through your different vertical uprights without any interference. If you have a single vertical upright, you could overhang it more to the right. If you have double, you have to make sure that the maximum width that you could pass it is not interfering with the size of the kit that you're ordering. You may also order a smaller kit than what is there. It would just mean that it would sit within the plate and you would have a slightly smaller print available area, or available print area, excuse me. And that's your choice. If you'd like to use a smaller kit and just mount it in the center of your plate, that's absolutely fine. Many printers do not even print full side to side of your build surface. You can check that out just by running your gantry through its various movements and seeing what the limit to the build is. But it's that easy. Go through our list of sizes, see if the size matches your bed exactly. If it does, you're great to go. If it's smaller, it'll definitely work. You'll just have a smaller available print surface, print area. And if it's bigger, you just want to make sure there's no interference. Once you've chosen your kit, you mount it following the instructions we've had, and it's always going to work exactly and perfectly for you. Thank you.